Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oops, that's on. It's been a while since I've recorded anything, but it feels good to be back and recording for you guys. Today I'll show you how to make at-home chalk paint for the little ones, for your little ones, since we're all still quarantined at home and the kids, they just need to be out doing something creative. So hopefully you have these items at home. Most people do, so let's get to it. Okay, so what you need is food coloring, plastic cups, cornstarch, paintbrushes, and water. I started with half cup of cornstarch into each of the cups. Then I added the food coloring into each of the cups with cornstarch. I started with 3 tablespoons of water, but it was a bit on the thicker side. You can't really paint with that. So I added 3 more tablespoons. In total 6 tablespoons, and that was a little better, a little runny for my liking, but I used for the rest of the cups a 1/4 cup of water, and that turned out a lot better in the thickness that I was looking for this chalk paint. And here are my colors: green, red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so there you have it. Made the paint, I have the brushes here, and now these kids are gonna paint the sidewalk. Let's see. All right, let's put blue. We'll do this one green. You can tell I've used that one for other art stuff. Red and yellow. All right, let's see. What can you guys make on the floor?
Oh, it's
getting dirty. Of course it's getting dirty. Let's see.
Maybe this is gonna do it on paper instead.
You want to do it on paper?
Yeah.
Bring paper, see how it works on paper. Sidewalk chalk art, but if he wants to do it on paper, that's fine too. It might work a little better on paper, so the brushes won't get so dirty either.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, I don't know if you can tell. As it dries, it gets more chalk-like. Oh.
Aww.
Ah, you
I'm
like,
making it high.
you like my heart?
Yeah. But this sits next to it. Ant.
It's a little ant.
Yeah.
How it works on paper. Let's see.
Mama,
Does it
I
work
need
on-
a paper.
You want a paper too?
Yeah.
Let's see. Look, don't drop them. It's gonna make a way bigger mess. All right, let's see. Let me do the.
Glass.
Oh, it works on paper too.
And then I'm gonna do the water.
Oh, cool. The paper gets wrinkly because it's obviously water-based. Okay,
And
so
this is the
a leaf fell on me. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this DIY chalk paint.
Yeah, we can make more colors. I think brown because for the dirt and stuff.
You need brown for the dirt? Yeah. Well, you can mix the colors and maybe I'll make a new color. So we'll be out here painting, making some chalk art. And you can use this paint on paper, on your sidewalk. And that's it for today. So give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave us a comment if you try it at home, how it works for you. And till next time, bye.